Hi, my name is Rylie Teeter and I'm here today to share with you the Core Restore. So this is quite the nifty little product. It does a lot of things, but first I want to show you what it's made out of. This is made out of a rubber. You can see it's flexible. It is responsive to the back curvature and any motion that you have here to get a customized fit. So this is something that you can use just about anywhere, whether it's in a chair at work, or in your car. Have you ever noticed cars just are not very ergonomic? They tend to wrap around your body, pushing your shoulders forward, letting your head fall forward, and of course your arms are forward. So it creates a bad posture that you're in and day out, getting to and from work or wherever else you need to go, and it creates potentially long-term problems as your body adapts to being in this poor posture all the time. Not to mention the extra loads it dumps on your spine from not having a proper alignment of the spine. So great to take in the car, great to take at work. And you can see I've kind of positioned my bottom underneath the pillow here and put the pillow right at the curvature. And it allows me to sit up straight, get the head on the shoulders. You would ideally get your ears over the top of your shoulders here so that we have a perfect alignment. So you can work in good position at the office or just watching TV like this. Another great thing that you can do here is this is called active sitting. So when we're seated, our muscles actually relax. That's why you feel relaxed when you sit down. But medical studies show that the pressure in the spine actually increases. When you're seated in perfect posture, the pressure goes at 50% compared to standing. When you're seated in bad posture, which is exactly what most of us do, we tend to get to the computer and lean forward and the head goes forward. The pressure in the lower spine goes up to 250%, which is the recipe for back pain and why it's such an epidemic today. But when you use the Core Restore as an active sitting device, it allows you to engage the core muscles. And that's going to help stabilize the spine and take pressure off of the spine itself. It is also going to help train those muscles. So you want a little bit of a workout where you're at work. Sitting here, you have to engage the stabilizer muscles to keep from moving, and that will help build your core muscles throughout the day. Now, another great thing about this particular item is you can use it for balance training or as an exercise support. So simple balance training, you can just stand on it. And this is important as you age. Nobody wants to fall, and training those small muscles to be engaged and strong to support your movements is critical. You can do all sorts of exercises. This is called the bird dog, and it trains the core. Of course, you can also use it as a support during sit-ups too. So that gives you a little bit of an assist, but also protects the spine. So as you can see, this is a great product, whether it's going to deal with the immediate discomfort that you're feeling in your car or at work, if you're looking for a way to get a good workout while you're sitting, or if you just want a workout with support. This is a product that can take you from the beginning stages of recovery all the way to the very last stage.